Hello my friends, I have another template for Fusion Davinci Resolve. This template you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video in video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you're in Fusion, you take one background, take one merge, and one background for the whole composition, and obviously media out. And then go on FX library, templates, and folder where you extracted the file. I will show you one cool thing that I made in last video. I will take my abstract background number 20, connect to the background here. It will make me cool animation for the background, and I will use the video banner number 1. Connect to the merge here like this, and it will show me animation. And when I go inside my media pool, I will take my picture and connect to the video banner, and then I will get my picture inside, and everything is animated and ready to go. When you click on this fast noise, you will see fast noise is animated and is looping. When you go inside the spline, you will see it's looping all the time. With this media in, you can use picture or video or whatever you want. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.